to my Bhakti Mallika channel. Today, let us dive into the divine power of the sacred Shiva Panchakshari mantra Om Namah Shivaya and its accompanying stotra. This mantra is a heartfelt salutation to Lord Shiva, the supreme consciousness, the destroyer of evil and the source of cosmic energy, because each syllable of this mantra is deeply connected with the five elements, the Pancha Mahabhutas: Agni, Vayu, Jal, Akash, Bhumi. Chanting Om Namah Shivaya regularly brings mental peace, improved health, prosperity and success, protection from evil eye and negativity, overall happiness and spiritual upliftment. So, come, dear friends, let us chant together with devotion and love. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Now, let us recite the Nagendra Haraya Stotra, a beautiful hymn that praises the glory of Shiva. Shiva Panchakshari Stotra. Rachane Shri Adi Shankaracharyaru. Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Mandakini Salila Chandana Charjitaya Nandishwara Pramathanatha Maheshwaraya Mandara Mukhya Bahu Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Gauri Vadanabja Vrinda Suryaya Daksha Dvaranashakaya Srinilakantaya Rishabhadvajaya Tasmai Shikaraya Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Vasishtha Kumbhodbhava Gautamarya Munindra Deva Ruchita Shekharaya Chandrarka Vaishvanaralochanaya Tasmai Vakaraya Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Yajna Swarupaya Jatadharaya Pinakahastaya Sanatanaya Divyaya Devaya Digambaraya Tasmai Akaraya Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Panchaksharamidam punyam yah patet Shiva sannidhau शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते. Let the grace of Lord Shiva flow into our lives and bless all of us. Thank you, friends. Let us meet again with one more new mantra.